Hey, it's Krista with WTI. I love a good kitchen gadget. And when I find one that makes my cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable, I'm all for it. Today, I'm going to share how this PUZMUG olive oil dispenser set has checked all of those boxes. So as you can see, the stainless steel and glass style of these dispensers makes them really attractive just to have displayed on the countertop. But the fact that it also comes with a stainless steel holder makes it super convenient for moving them around without the worry that they're going to fall over or crack. Dispenser tops feature a finger impression with some traction ridges that makes it really easy for handling, and it also makes sure that if any oil gets onto the top, it does not make it difficult to pump. I also like the glass design of the dispensers, lets me see exactly how much product I've used and how much I have left. The set also came with a small funnel that fits the top of the dispenser bottles perfectly, making refilling them super easy without any spills. Some notable benefits from using these dispensers are that I have really precise control over the amount of oil that I'm using, which has been fantastic for lighter cooking. Plus, I've noticed that my food is now cooking more evenly with just a really light coat of oil. So if you're someone who loves kitchen gadgets as much as I do, and you want to save a little on your grocery bills, and also save a little on the calories, then I think you need to check out this PUZMUG olive oil dispenser set. And that's my point of view.